This week's SNL started off with an amazing cameo courtesy of Steve Martin. Watch the comic legend portray Roger Stone. The January 26 episode of SNL started off strong, especially considering the fact that the one and only Steve Martin stopped by. Steve played normal, straightforward guy Roger Stone, who was just arrested by the FBI, appearing on Tucker Carlson's talk show. Despite the fact that Carlson tried to play up Stone's helplessness, Steve Stone seemed amped to be there, decrying that he was loving the ride. Go Nixon. Playing up his age, Stone complained, "I'm almost as old as Sting." The whole sketch ended with Stone sending Donald Trump a message, "Pardon me." Watch the hilarious sketch below. Meanwhile, last week's cold open was one of the best of the season. In a parody of Deal or No Deal, Donald Trump picked various offers stowed away inside boxes from various senators to end the government shutdown. This sketch had Mitch McConnell doing the Bird Box Challenge, Alexandria Ocasio-Cortez being mistaken for Cardi B, and a Clemson player offering Trump a hamburger, which happened to be the only offer he took. And of course, the season's best cold open was the very first one. Matt Damon, who perfectly played Brett Kavanaugh in another sketch, brought down the house during the inaugural sketch this season. Playing the now justice as a nominee, at one during the nomination hearing, Damon yelled, "I lifted weights every day, am I angry? You're damn right. But if you think I'm angry now, you just wait until I get on that Supreme Court, and then you're all going to pay." Here with his side of the story is a man you look at and instantly think, "I trust this guy." Please welcome Roger Stone. Number SNL at Steve Martin togopic.twitter.com QGH2XOCZ0J. Saturday Night Live, SNL, at NBC SNL, January 27, 2019. We'll keep you posted with all of the latest SNL sketches. In the meantime, check out all of the photos from